Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. All the links from this review are down in the description below for your convenience. This video covers my personal experience using the eSIM. EE delivers a smooth and hassle-free eSIM experience, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards. It supports a variety of devices, from smartphones and tablets to wearables. A key feature is the ability to activate and manage your eSIM remotely. This means you can switch plans or even carriers without physically swapping SIM cards, a huge plus for frequent travelers or anyone looking for efficient mobile connection management. EE boasts excellent 4G and 5G coverage throughout the UK, resulting in consistently fast speeds and dependable connectivity. The eSIM performs well across all major device brands, including Apple and Samsung, making it a widely accessible and convenient choice. Activation is straightforward, and EE's customer support is readily available should you encounter any difficulties. For those who travel internationally, the EE eSIM is particularly attractive. EE offers extensive roaming capabilities, covering a vast number of countries. It's worth noting that EE's pricing might be a bit higher than some other UK providers, but this premium cost reflects the high-quality service, especially regarding data speeds and network reliability. The EE eSIM is also a future-proof choice. As more and more devices embrace eSIM technology, you'll be well-equipped for the future. Overall, the EE eSIM is a superb option for anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly eSIM solution offering high-speed data, broad coverage, and flexible features. If a robust UK network and international roaming are important to you, the EE eSIM is definitely worth considering.